in existence.
Right.
That particular model is Microsoft, Cisco had been partnering to it, and SCL has been looking after the network of ours. So
No, I'm not denying any of those facts, and it's not my intention to deny any of those facts. My intention is only one, is that in the available governmental space, I don't think there is anything which is so clearly visible, conspicuous, and perceivable to the normal human eye. And when I started working on it, what I was getting is people like Alacrity or Tulip and things of that nature. And you'll appreciate the fact that our resources are very, very limited.
that is true, sir.
Correct. If you go in the government with a 300 crore ICT project, I don't think you will never be able to push through.
Absolutely.
So, till the day we are able to prove it to the government in a very conclusive manner that every single penny which they spend in this would give them an output of 10,000, 20,000 times of whatever they are investing, I think we will have to keep explaining our case, we will have to keep rationalizing. And the best way to rationalize is bring down cost and deliver the goods, show it to the world that things are happening.
Absolutely, sir. And for your inputs only, if
Right.
at all any references are required, we are ready to help.
Okay.
And
Okay.
over and above whatever is
Right.
needs to be deployed. And
Right. Yes.
Yes, Ivartalo from Estonia. Can I ask the gadgets within this module? I mean, what are available? Do you have, let's say, in traffic module?
Yeah, we have the functionalities.
Let's say optical
Like-
license plate recognition.
We have two systems. As far as traffic, I'll just explain the traffic, and then you might get a bit of idea of how things are happening. So one is with regards to regulation of traffic. So we have 160 odd cameras with regards to regulation of traffic, where we can tell you in a live streaming video as to what is the level of traffic, and based on that, we give you information either through your local FM channels or your different billboards you have all around the place. So that is how we, as far as the regulation of traffic is concerned, that is one part that which will be integrated to our ERP solution. Correct. Besides that, for traffic, we have this BlackBerry. So BlackBerry having its enterprise server and that nature of connectivity, we are using it for our fine purposes. So this is broadly, we have been using all sorts of gadgets. And I forgot to tell you, in the camera side, we have two types of cameras. So one is the regulation, other is enforcement. Enforcement cameras are configured to take 3 photographs of the accused from the angle which would satisfy the courts. So those 3 photographs are taken. It takes only 3 photographs from those specific angles, from those specific distance, and that goes into the case investigation file, and which is finally taken in the charge sheet and put up at the time of trial. So integration at back end with large number of technologies, large number of software, large number of thought processes, it is taking place.
And you mentioned case management. I mean, is there one electronic case sort of?
Yeah. So we are working on, somehow I missed out. It was a very important point that we work on a workflow mechanism. Intra-module, inter-module. The module is an integrated unit. All modules combined, they are integrated. Linkages are clearly shown. So this is broadly where we work.
Are all police cars also connected?
Police cars as of now are not connected. Correct. But they get connected through the command and control center, through their, at the end of the day, through the walkies or any mobile gadget. But there is no standard gadget which is fixed on the police cars, which will keep giving you seamless information. So that is not existing as of now, but we certainly intend to add that to our police cars. Thank you.
Perhaps a target like crime prevention or conviction rate, higher conviction rate over a period of time using IT?
See, first is we want to make considerable progress in the turnaround time. Correct. So there is a complaint which is lodged in whichever manner. Now that when systems become totally integrated, you can get through a toll-free number, you can get through SMS, you can get through whatever. So if our turnaround time is say 15 minutes, so it should be brought back to around 3 minutes, which is one parameter which is generally agreed across the globe. With regards to criminal investigation, what is most important is the quality of investigation. With regards to cases which is high profile, which media chases, we do a great work. But 99% of the cases, or more than 99% of the cases, they don't belong to that category. Right. And for you or me, if my car is stolen, it is as important as somebody being bombed in Delhi or Abu Dhabi or Madrid. Correct. I have lost my whatever. I buy a car. Say there's a middle class guy, he buys a car. After what effort, all of us know. Correct. So what your contention is, that whether there is a clear-cut, verifiable improvement in the result. Correct. We still have not been able to gauge it. It is in a stage of infancy, but we certainly believe that as the documentation improves in a considerable manner, retrieval becomes easy, supervision becomes even easier. I think it will certainly have an impact. This has had a considerable impact. One area where we can see is the e-procurement. And today, police departments, every single procurement above 1 lakh rupee is on the e-procurement mode. We spend barely any time to manage the whole process. I am going for SIRFA. The total single tender would be somewhere between 50, 60, 80 crores. But I am not bothered about it for the simple reason, because it will be handled by somebody else. When the document and the creator, so if they can be delineated, correct, then the responsibility, the liability and the capability to damage, it goes down considerably. Thank you.
Question.